Okay, so for this topic video for today is area and perimeter of parallelogram. Okay, so first off, multiplying, we start with the warm-up. Okay, you need this for area, base times height. So I think this one you can do very quickly on your own. Pause the video and give it a try. Okay, so it's 40, 48, 54. Okay, 46, so 84, 44. Oh, okay, same question. 60. Okay, so for this you need skills for this for working backwards. 5, 8, 8, 7, 9, 10, 12, and 8. Okay, and then the algebra section. Okay, very simple warm-up. So 5x, 3x, 8x, okay, divided by 2, so it's half, so we take it as half bracket 10x plus 12 multiply 5x plus 6. Okay, units, don't forget perimeter is a length, UCM, area is a surface, UCM square. Okay, so what you have here is a parallelogram. So these two sides are equal. Okay, length wise they are equal. Okay, so opposite sides are equal. Okay, now the height is the perpendicular height. Alright, so we see this line here. This is not the height. This is the height of the parallelogram. So when we refer to height, we are talking about this one. Okay, so when we find area of parallelogram, if we look at work example for shadow pair 1, it is 10, 9, 6. Okay, so you want to find area of parallelogram, very simple. We use 6, not 9. So it's 10 times 6, 60. So very quickly, this one is the same thing. 8 times 5. So it's 40 cm square. Okay, next one. Now, what example? Okay, so again, the same thing. Let's help. So now we have simple 12, 4. So base times height, 48. Okay, we don't have this length, but we don't need it anyway. Okay, we don't have this one length, but we don't need it anyway. So this one, same thing. 8 times 6, 48, 56 cm square. Okay, next one, perimeter. Okay, find the perimeter sides 9 cm and 10 cm. Okay, now you have your formula, you have your perimeter. Okay, now we add the two sides. So it's the same as finding perimeter of area and triangle. So we add these two sides first to find this total length, then we double. Okay, so very simple. This one will be 8 plus 5 times 2, so this is 13, so it's 26. Okay, now from here we want to work backwards to find height. Okay, so now this question will be working backwards. So just now we found area, we found perimeter. Now they say if I give you the area, okay, and I give you the base, find the height. So we know that area is base times height, right? So we will get 60 times 12. So you want to find the height, we just divide by 12 on both sides. This is why you have 60 divided by 12, you have 5. Same thing here, 72 cm square, base is 9. Alright, so area is 72 equals to 9 times h. So again, you divide by 9 on both sides. 72 divided by 9, 8 cm. Alright, okay, shadow pair 5, the other height, either one can be the base. Now you have to kind of look at it this way. If we take this parallelogram, right, and we rotate it this way, okay, alright, so you realize that even though it is standing up, okay, if we have this perpendicular height, if this one is 10 now, because this is the side 10, right? So now let's say we flip it on its side. this is the side now. Okay, there is a new perpendicular height for this side. Alright, so BF is the new perpendicular height. Not drawn very well. Okay, so but imagine it's 90 degree. Okay, so from here, what we want to do is this. We know the area is 60, right? Because we have this base times height. 12 times 5, we got the area. But what we want to use the area to do is find this perpendicular length, right? And this perpendicular length that we want to find, BF, okay, when you multiply with 10, this side, right? Because now it's on this side, right? So base times perpendicular height, okay, when you flip the thing on its side, should give you the same area as 12 times 5. Okay, so now we want to find the height of BF. Okay, either side can be the base. So we already know that the area is 60. So now it's 60 equals to 10 times BF. So BF will be divided by 10, 6 cm. Okay, so same thing here. What if we flip this on its side 12. Okay, we flip this on its side 12. So now 12 is the base, BF is still the perpendicular length. Okay, but we know that the area of the parallelogram is 6 times 14, which is 84. Okay, so same thing, this side area is the same as taking 12 times BF, right, written here. So both sides divided by 12, you should get 7. Oh, sorry, both sides divided by 12, you should get 7. Okay, now last one, shadow pair 6. What if we are using algebra? So your parameter is 2x plus 1. Okay, one side is 2x plus 1. Sorry, your whole parameter is 10x plus 12. One side is 2x plus 1. Find the other side. Okay, so the other side will be unknown. Okay, but we can find it by minusing off 2x plus 1 times 2. Then we divide by 2. So what they do here is they take 10x plus 12 divided by 2 first instead. Okay, so 5x plus 6 is this total length. Okay, this total length will be 5x plus 6. Subtract the known side. Okay, so it's 5x plus 6 minus 2x plus 1. You will get 3x plus 5. Okay, then for the other one, same thing here. What they do is they divide into 2. Okay, so what you will have is 4x plus 5. Okay, so this is 4x plus 5. So 4x plus 5 minus x plus 2, right, would be, when you open up the bracket, will be 4x plus 5. Okay, then minus x. Then don't forget, minus x minus off the 2 also. Right, so 4x minus x is 3x. Then plus 5 minus 2 is plus 3. Alright, so it's quite easy. Can? Okay, so good. Okay, so now we're gonna try this. So pause the video. Try all these questions. It should be easy peasy for you all. Right, and then go and do the app. Okay, go and practice on the app and then complete the supplementary worksheet. Okay, now find the area of the parallelogram. Okay, so area, we know that is 14 times 5, 70 cm square. Find the area of a parallelogram with base 9 and height 8. The slant height is 10 cm. Okay, so slant height we can ignore. So area would still be 9 times 8, 72 cm square. Okay, find the parameter of size 11 and 7. So we know one side is 11, one side is 7. So we plus together, then we times 2. Okay, so parameter 2 times 7 plus 11. So it's 2 times 1836 cm. Okay, then the next one, parallelogram, area 92 and base 12. Okay, so from here, we know the area is 96, but we know the base is 12. We want to find the perpendicular height here. So find its height. So we know that 12 times height is 96. So both sides divided by 12. Alright, so we get h equals to 8. Okay. Okay, so it's here. Okay, so now a parallelogram has an area of 60, base 15 and height 4. The other side is 12. So what happens if we draw it out? It just means that if I have height 4 here, base 15, alright, so this will give me an area of 60 cm square. So this side is, the other side is 4, this 12. We have our slanted height here. Alright, we have a slanted height here. So how do we find? Okay, now usually if you do out the full thing, they usually don't give you the area. Alright, if you do the supplementary, you will know. So, but to find the height to that side is still the same. H times 12 equals to 60. Now, so by right, what they're trying to say is h times 12 should equals to 4 times 15, which is 60. Right. So the area of this times this should give you the area of this times this. They should be equal. Okay, so we have 12h. Again, divide by 12, divide by 12. H equals to 5. Alright. Okay, then we have two more. Parallelogram has a base 3x over 2 and height 5. Find the area in terms of x. Okay, so this is a bit different, but it's just algebra. 3x plus 2, height 5. Right, so the area 5 3x plus 2, 15x plus 10. Alright, cm square. Okay, then the last one. Perimeter of parallelogram is 12x plus 8. One side is 4x plus 1. Express the other side in terms of x. Okay, so first off, we know that this perimeter is the whole thing. So one thing we do is we divide by 2 first. Alright, to find the length of these two sides. Okay, then we minus off 4x plus 1. Okay, so 12x plus 8. Okay, we times half. Then we minus 4x plus 1. Alright. Okay, I'm going to combine the steps together. You need to learn how to combine the steps together. 4x plus 1. Okay. So from here, I'll get 6x plus 4 minus 4x minus 1. Get 2x plus 3. So the other side, length of other side is 2x plus 3 cm. Okay, can? Alright, give it a try. Go and complete the app and then do the supplementary worksheet.